What's up, Tech King? Stefan here from TechRight. Today we're going to be doing the unboxing and first impressions of the Galaxy A31. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, just going to talk about a few key features. First and foremost, we have a 6.4 inch 1080 by 2400p screen. We have a 48 megapixel main camera, but this is a 4 camera setup. We also have a 4 or 6 gigabyte RAM variant. We also have 5,000 milliamps in this device. This is going to be the 4 gigabyte of RAM variant though, but let's go ahead and unbox this. Alright everyone, let's go ahead and unbox this device. Go ahead and take this out. First and foremost, we have this little box right here. Looks like we have the quick start guide, and we also have the warranty card. And we also have a case for this device, which is pretty clutch. So nice little CPU case right there. Next we have the phone right here. I believe it's in Prism Black. Let's go and put this aside. Next we have our adaptive fast charger. Next we have some earbuds, which is pretty nice that they offer these. And we also have a USB Type-C data cable. And obviously, last but not least, the SIM ejector tool. So first impressions on this device. We have our Samsung logo at the bottom of the device. Next we have a 4 camera setup at the top left back of the phone. So first and foremost, we have a 48 megapixel wide angle camera. We have an 8 megapixel ultra wide camera. We have a 5 megapixel macro camera. And we also have a 5 megapixel depth sensor. Right side of the device, we have the volume up and down rocker as well as the power button. Bottom of the device, we have our speaker. We have our noise canceling mic, our USB Type-C port, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Top of the phone, we have our noise canceling mic. Next thing is our 20 megapixel shooter at the top of our phone. Now that's going to be an f2.2 camera, and you're also going to be able to utilize a wide angle with that. But first impressions on the screen, it looks really good. The saturation looks beautiful, and I think this wallpaper makes the phone look really good as well, because this is a really cool wallpaper. But 6.4 inch screen, 1080 by 2400, so we have a pretty tall phone, and it feels pretty comfortable in my hand, but I feel like this is a pocketable phone for most people. The other thing about this device is it is an AMOLED screen, so it is going to look a little bit better than those regular IPS displays. So really nice looking screen right here. The next thing is we are going to have Android 10.0 on this device, and I just want to go ahead and verify that for you guys. So as you guys see right here, we have Android 10.0, just to go ahead and verify that for you guys real quick. The bezels are a little bit bigger on this device. I've noticed the chin is a bit bigger than most A-series devices. As you guys see, it's a little bit thicker at the bottom right there. I still think this is a pretty sexy phone, obviously with that prism back. The next thing that I wanted to check out real quick is the cameras, and we've been comparing a lot of cameras on this channel, so we're gonna go ahead and see how this looks compared to the Galaxy A50 and a few other cameras. But I'm gonna go ahead and take a few pictures. The photos actually come out pretty decent, and we have some decent saturation on these photos, especially for a device that's sub 250. So really decent camera, especially for the price. The other thing we have on this device is live focus. We have panorama and a few other things, as you guys can see in the more right here. Panorama, pro, macro, food. And as far as video goes, we can shoot up to 1080p with the front and rear facing camera. We also have a wide angle mode on the front and rear camera as well. So we're gonna go ahead and take a picture real quick. So as you guys see, it looks pretty much the same as a regular Galaxy A30, A50, A51. The front facing cameras are pretty similar. But you are going to get kind of a beauty effect on this camera with the front facing camera because of low light. This is a phone that I definitely want to put up against a bunch of other devices, but this is merely an unboxing. But if you guys did enjoy this, definitely leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you are not part of the Tech Gang already. Also, if you guys want to go ahead and purchase the A31, I'll put the link in my description and in the first comment down below. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.